back everybody, Bearded Griller. Today we're going to make one of my all-time favorites, smoked chicken wings. I know it sounds overly simple, and it is, but it's still delicious. I got about 4 pounds, mixture of drumettes and flats, pretty good size, so they're going to take a little longer than normal. Scale back the time just a little bit if you've got some little guys, not too big a deal. We are going to go from frozen today. I'll just add about an extra 30 minutes. They're so small and thin, it doesn't really matter with chicken wings. And chicken wings are usually pretty forgiving anyways. So I'm going to use mustard. You can use oil, something else like that if you want. Mustard, it's got a good flavor. It works. All we're looking for is something sticky for the spices to stick to. We're going to season them up today with some Weber's Kickin' Chicken. It's just got a really good flavor to it. Goes great. I like to do my wings naked. I'll smoke them, sear them, get everything crispy on them, and then I'll serve them with the sauce on the side so everybody can do exactly what they want. That looks like pretty good mustard coverage. Let's start with the seasoning. I'm going to go pretty liberal with this, fairly heavy, just in the simple fact that you know, they're going to get moved around quite a bit between now and when we eat them, and I think you're going to lose a lot of that seasoning. Alright, looks like we've got pretty decent coverage on here. Everything looks good. I'll make sure to take this out to the grill with me. If I see any that look a little naked, we'll give them a little rub. I'm going to heat the smoker up to about 200 degrees. I'll see you guys outside. Alright, got the smoker warmed up about 200 degrees. These guys all look like they got fairly even, nice coverage on them. I'm let them go for about an hour. I'll come out and check them. Maybe flip them, bump the temp up to about 250. Let them go another hour and see what they look like after that. See you guys in a little bit. Alright, we're going to mix up my Buffalo Ranch. Nothing super crazy, pretty simple. I like it because it just saves you the time of having to dip in 2 different sauces, and it's good on pretty much everything. So I do a third Hidden Valley Ranch, whatever ranch you like, a third Wings and Things Buffalo sauce, and a third Frank's Red Hot. And I dial up the heat with the Slap Your Mama till you can't stand it. So I'm going to fill this up about a quarter of the way. About there. That'll give us a nice vinegary kick. Sweet Baby Ray's got some vinegar in it too, but it's also just got more flavor than just your regular Frank's. Gets us right about where we need to be. And this will keep in your fridge for a couple weeks. I mean, you know, you're using all pre-made shelf sauces. And another third ranch dressing. And I got my little funnel so I don't make a giant mess trying to sprinkle this in. I'm going to start with about a teaspoon. You can dial this up to your own comfort level for heat. Slap Your Mama is pretty hot. That's a good sized teaspoon right there. Alright. I'm going to give this a shake. Let this stuff keep working together while those wings cook. I'll see you guys in a couple hours. Alright, you probably couldn't hear me because it was drowned out by wind. About an hour in, I went from 200 to 275. Gave them a little flip action. Got them underneath the broiler here, 550 degrees. Tried doing them in the fryer a few times. I ended up just liking the broiled taste best for me, but you know, do what works for you. Let these go a few minutes aside, get them crisped up. We'll give them a shot. Alright, got them all broiled up, nice and crispy both sides, looking good. Got our Buffalo Ranch right here. Get some of that in there. I like the flats. Most people are a drumette. I'm a flat person. Give that a twist and a pull. Definitely should have waited. These are of course going to be delicious today, but I've found that the smoked wings are actually better the next day. That smoke permeates through all the meat and everything. Let's get in there. So good. They're smoky, they're crunchy. That Weber's kicking chicken comes through. You get some savoriness from that. You get a nice zing from the Frank's Red Hot and the tang from the ranch. And that Slap Your Mama really bumps this stuff up in the heat level. These are really good. If you like this stuff, hit that like button, subscribe, share it. See you next time. Bearded Griller.